Today, we are going to discuss the top 5 steps needed to secure a mortgage pre-approval, and we're going to have a little fun along the way with some interesting real estate facts. So many homebuyers have so much fear when it comes to buying home, but it doesn't need to be that way. Follow these 5 steps to control the process, make informed financial decisions, and not let your emotions run riot on your decisions, dreams, or judgments. After all, we're probably only talking about the biggest financial investment of your life. Follow these steps and win. In the comments below, please share if buying a home or going through the pre-approval process scares you. Do you think it's as intimidating as buying a new car? Do you have any nightmare stories that you can share with us? Check the pinned comments for mine. Step 0, mental preparation. Before purchasing their $200 million Malibu mega mansion, in 2017, Jay-Z and Beyoncé secured a $52 million mortgage for their Bel Air estate. Similarly, Kim Kardashian obtained a $48 million mortgage to finalize the deal for her $70 billion Malibu mansion last year. These instances highlight 2 important aspects. First, it's not unusual for even the wealthiest celebrities to incorporate mortgages into their financial plans. And second, the significance of mental preparedness. It's evident that both Jay-Z and Beyoncé and Kim K carefully selected homes with desired amenities in the ideal locations. On the financial side, they had already considered their personal contributions, desired financing amounts, and comfortable monthly payments. Every buyer can benefit from adopting a similar approach by thinking about their financial goals, including payments, loan amounts, and cash contributions. Sharing these goals with mortgage and real estate professionals sets the groundwork for a well-informed and strategic home buying process. Oh, and by the way, in case you're wondering, the mortgage payment on a $52 million mortgage, only $328,000 a month, and that's before taxes and insurance. Step number 1, talk to a lender or several lenders. Once you mentally prepare and define your financial goals, the next step is to engage with a lender, perhaps even several. The key reason for having a clear idea of your objectives is to align yourself with a mortgage professional who can best support your goals. For instance, if you require down payment assistance, inquire about the lender's experience with such programs and the number of down payment assistance loans that they've closed in the last 12 months. If you're a veteran seeking a VA loan, assess the lender's familiarity with VA loans. Whether you're pursuing a jumbo loan, an investment property, or a parcel of land, ensure that the lender can offer high-level support in those specific areas. The important point here is to verify that you're working with someone that can not only provide the loan that you need, but is also an expert in that particular field. Not all lenders are skilled with every type of transaction, so even if it takes consulting 2, 3, or 4 lenders to find the best fit, that's perfectly acceptable. Remember, you're in control of the process. Did you know that the most expensive city in the United States for home buyers is Atherton, California, where the average home sales price is over $10 million. This Silicon Valley hub is the most expensive by a wide margin, and values are up over 40% since 2021. Step 2, formally apply by completing a loan application. Once you've chosen a lender, the next step is getting fully pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. The pre-approval process involves 2 key steps. First, you'll complete a loan application, typically online or by phone, and that's where credit will be pulled. The second step requires submitting all of your financial documents, including pay stubs, W-2s, driver's license, bank statements, and for self-employed customers, tax returns for the last 2 years. After completing these steps, you'll learn about the loan products you qualify for, along with details such as interest rates, payments, and other preliminary financing terms in Step 3. This thorough pre-approval process provides a solid foundation for your home buying journey. And remember, after you get pre-approved, you should never have your credit pulled, take out any new debt, or change jobs without consulting your lender first. Did you know that before he was ever famous, Arnold Schwarzenegger got his start in real estate in the 1970s? In fact, this is how he became a millionaire. He took the proceeds from his bodybuilding winnings and invested in a Santa Monica apartment building, putting $100,000 down on a $500,000 purchase. And within a year's time, the property depreciated to over $800,000, earning him a 300% return. He continued to trade up over the years and earned his first million doing this, which gave him the financial freedom to pursue a career in acting. Step 3, product and program discovery. Following full pre-approval, your loan officer will inform you about the eligible loan products and programs, including any that might offer additional benefits. This is an opportune moment to discuss financial expectations before initiating your home search. As a buyer, it's crucial to align the desired price range with your monthly payment and other financial considerations. It's important to distinguish between what you're comfortable paying and what you qualify for. Keep in mind that your mortgage lender qualifies you based off of gross income, not net income. Additionally, inquire about any extra incentives or programs that may be advantageous. For example, some banks provide excellent restricted income programs with income restrictions tied to the median income of the property's zip code. If your income falls within 80% or less of the median income, you may qualify for benefits such as a lower down payment assistance, reduced interest rates, and may even qualify for reduced mortgage insurance premiums. Make sure to request information on available and additional programs. Despite having a net worth of over $121 billion, Warren Buffett to this day still lives in this Omaha home that he bought for $31,500 back in 1958. Step 4, real estate search. Now that you've been pre-approved, it's time to get connected with a real estate professional to help you with your home search. A lot of buyers make the mistake of reaching out to an agent first before talking to a lender. It's always important to talk to a lender first, just so you know exactly what you're qualified for, what your purchasing power is, and to make sure that you can get pre-approved. If you don't know a lender though, getting a referral from a real estate professional can be a great option. Similar to a mortgage loan officer, you want to make sure that you and your agent are the right fit. Some agents only work in certain areas at specific times of day or at certain priced homes. Let your agent know what your goals are and ask some of those same questions to make sure that they are going to be someone that is an appropriate fit for your needs. This is also a great time to touch base on the overall market and what opportunities you as a buyer may be able to take advantage of. For example, as interest rates have risen over the past 24 months, more sellers are willing to reduce the sales price or even offer seller concessions to pay for the buyer's closing costs. Ask your agent for an analysis on the market, how you can take advantage of such opportunities. Did you know that in the fourth quarter of 2023, Phoenix, Arizona led the nation in seller concessions? 62.9% of sellers gave concessions to buyers, up from 33% a year earlier. Step number 5, ask lots of questions. Don't hesitate to ask lots of questions. This, in my belief, is the most important step of the entire process. Many homebuyers feel reluctant to ask questions during their home buying and mortgage journey, but please don't make this mistake. Whether you're unsure about phrasing or using the correct language, it doesn't matter. I always emphasize to my buyers that if something matters to them, it matters to me. So anytime you have questions, need more information, or want to discuss anything, please let your loan officer know. I'm dedicated to ensuring that those that I work with make informed financial decisions aligned with their family's best interests. As a lender, my role is to not make decisions for them, but to provide options, guide them through important considerations, and make them aware of all programs that can benefit them. So be vocal, ask questions, advocate for yourself, and embrace this exciting and daring journey. You got this. You've got this. Here's another fun fact. The most expensive piece of residential real estate ever sold in the United States was a $239 million penthouse that sold in 2019 atop 220 Central Park South in Manhattan to billionaire hedge fund manager Ken Griffin. If you got any value from this video, please share with someone else and subscribe to the channel. I want to hear from you. Your voice matters. Financial literacy isn't taught in schools, and it's up to us to learn, to grow, and to build together. Until next time, this is Benjamin Adams with American Money 101.